Have you all seen the whole WAP challenge going on TikTok?
Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet ass cushy. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet ass cushy. I'm talking wow.
And yeah, I can't do that. So this video was inspired by that challenge because I realized how unflexible I am. I can't even do this without hearing my bones break or whatever it's called.
Dear medical students, I know, we all know, y'all are smart as hell. Congrats on being a med student and good luck with microbiology. But I promise you, I'm not stupid. I know my bones aren't breaking and it's just build up gas between my joints. I just don't know how to explain shit because usually my mom comes with me to my doctor's appointments. But yeah, feel free to educate me if I'm wrong though.
Damn, girls who were born with natural flexibility. Okay, that's all I... Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I hope you guys are doing fine. Good morning to all my babies out there. But I'm pretty sure you guys are watching this at night. So I guess good evening, good night, whatever. If it's past 12, what are you doing? Aren't you supposed to be sleeping, honey? But I'm glad you're here. You can sleep after this video. Anyways, what am I going to do in this challenge? I am going to be doing yoga poses, yoga exercises in order to achieve the splits. I have been wanting to do this for a very long time. I'm super excited to do this challenge. Really hope by the end of these 30 days, I will be able to do these splits so I can do the WAP dance on TikTok. Okay, let's just be real first for like a second. It's very unlikely that you will be able to achieve the splits in 30 days unless you have been training for a long time or you have done this when you were younger, and also according to how your bone structure is. So if you can't do the splits, it's okay, but that doesn't mean you should stop trying. 30 out of 100 people will actually be able to do the splits in 3 to 4 weeks. Hopefully I'll be one of them, but if not, it's fine. I'm gonna keep trying until I actually achieve it. But please understand that not everybody can do the splits. You know, some things are just not meant for some people and it's totally fine. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Anyways, first let me show you guys the poses that I will be doing.
So after doing a lot of research and watching many YouTube videos, I put in a few stretches together, actually a lot of stretches together into the routine in order to achieve the splits. These are just stretches that I think are helpful in order to achieve the splits. So yeah, if you would like, you could follow along or not, or however you like, I don't know.
Okay, so today is the first day. When I tell you, I am not flexible at all. 0%. Hopefully I don't end up in the hospital. Oh god. Okay, that's how far down I can go. Okay, let's get started.
So I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions, so make sure you watch the whole video because guys, I promise you, you will find the answers to your questions if you watch the whole video. So anyways, I did each of these poses for 60 seconds straight. I know the poses look very easy, but trust me guys, trust me on this. Doing it for 60 seconds, that's a whole ass minute, was a big challenge because at some point, everything was just like hurting. I was in so much pain. Okay, I think I'm exaggerating a little bit.
Okay, so I'm done with day one. Let's see if I got at least a little flexible or not. Oh no, that's it. Ow. Yeah, that's it for day one. Some of these stretches were pretty hard on my knees, and also at one point I did feel like my hips were like, I don't know, something was releasing from my hips. I must have done the form wrong or something was wrong, but I don't know what it was.
Now, I know most of us would love to be able to do the splits, but we all need to understand that not everybody will be able to. Some may be able to do it in 30 days, some may take 6 months, and some may even take years. It all depends on the person and the way that their body is. And fun fact actually, it's much easier for kids to do the splits than adults because as we age, our flexibility just sort of goes down the road. But that does not mean we cannot try. You can learn how to do the splits at any age, but the goal is not to be disappointed at the end of your journey. It's okay if you're not able to do it, like I said earlier, but don't lose hope. Do stretches regularly. Not only will it help you in achieving splits, but it is extremely good for your body and mind. Flexibility improves with daily practice.
So 2 week update. I don't see a big difference. Since I've been stretching for the past 14 days, my legs have been, very flexible. I can do a lot of things. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, it just feels very relaxed. Stretching has a lot of benefits, the blood flow and all of these good things. I also like to sort of meditate while doing it because it makes me feel better. And day 14, I will update you guys in 2 weeks.
So I'm not sure if it was by coincidence or not, but I came across this TikTok where this girl was explaining how to achieve the splits in just 2 weeks. And I can't tell you how much I hate videos like that which mislead people and convince them to believe such things. So guys, just please be careful on what you see on the internet because nowadays people just post anything without caring about other people or even thinking twice about how it would affect other people.
If I get this right, I'm joining the Olympics next year.
So during the last few days of this challenge, I definitely felt like my body was slowly adjusting to this new challenge, to these new stretches and etc. that I was doing to my body. My body was, I don't know, I felt like a little lighter. I wasn't feeling that pain that I usually felt.
Oh shit, I just got a cramp. So I just got a cramp in my thigh. Okay, so today is the last day. I am so excited. So let's see how far low I can go. Obviously I can't go lower than my ex. I promised myself I will stop doing that. Anyways, let's see how flexible I've gotten. Oof. Okay. So in my opinion, I feel like I did improve a lot. In the beginning of this challenge, I was not able to go that far down. I had a lot of pain in this area of my leg and over here when I first started this challenge, but now I actually don't feel those pains and aches and stuff like that. I definitely feel like I did improve and I think I did pretty good for 30 days and I'm sure if I continue this for at least another 6 months, I know that I'll be able to get it. I may or may not continue, I don't know, depends on how I procrastinate. Anyways, like I said earlier guys, just because I saw improvements in 30 days does not mean you will. Everybody sees different results. Everyone's bodies are different, so please understand that. If you would like to do this challenge, go ahead, try to get flexible. Doing these stretches will not only help you achieve the splits, but it's also really good for your body. So why not just do it like 10 minutes a day? It's literally only 10 minutes a day. And I think if you do it for like 20 minutes, it's even better. I actually had a lot of fun filming this video and doing this challenge. I was really expecting to see results, but then throughout the process of this video, I understood that, it's okay if I don't see anything, but then I did see results, so I'm actually happy and excited. It also did encourage me to continue doing this challenge. So anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you would like for me to do any other challenges, do leave a comment down below in the comment section. Also, do not forget to follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok and Twitter. Yeah, that's it for this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.